This video is to help you make the Pentahexaflexagon calendar. At this point, you should have printed out the two shapes, glued them back to back, and now we're ready to fold it to make the flexahexagon shape. Orient the paper so that the year is in the bottom left corner. The first part is to fold the July Friday panel over the July Saturday panel. Step B, fold November Saturday over the November Friday panel. Step C, fold November Monday over November Tuesday. Step D, turn the model over. Next, step E, fold November Wednesday over November Thursday. Notice that the two blank triangles are at the two ends. Step F, fold July Monday over July Tuesday. Step G, fold July Thursday over July Wednesday. Now you have this straight line with 10 equilateral triangle. Fold May Thursday over May Wednesday. The blank triangle is pointing down. Turn the model over. Fold May Monday over May Tuesday. Rearrange May Saturday so the panel is behind. Take a look at your model. The center part, all the months should be the same. It should be February all around. Turn it around and check the back side. It should be January all around. If it looks good, then glue the blank triangles together and then you should be done.